HealthWish is a series of conversations about the state of healthcare in New York City's fabulous fifth borough, Staten Island. Our goal is to raise issues, raise awareness, and raise health, because when we raise health, we raise everyone. Today, we're sharing a table with Stefano Sena, head chef of Bocelli, one of Staten Island's best restaurants. Hear the story of how this young immigrant boy carried his family's old world recipes to New York and discovered the secret ingredients for a beautiful life. Give it a listen.
We're back at Bocelli Restaurant speaking with Stefano Sena, one of Staten Island's premier chefs. Join me for a tasty treat. Stefano, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much for having us here at Bocelli today. We're so excited to be in your restaurant. So let's start with how you got involved in the restaurant business. This restaurant has been here for 25 years, more than that. So where did you start?
I'm so glad to have you here. It's a pleasure, thank you. Many years ago, I was a little boy in Brooklyn. Of course, I was born in Italy. I came to America with my parents and my brothers and sisters. I was 2 years old, and Sundays was very special to us.
Of course.
Sundays was very special to us. So Sunday, it was a family day. In the morning, we would go to church, my father, my uncle. After church, I would come home and I would help my Aunt Angie and my mom, and they would put me on a little stool, and we were making manicotti, little crepes. And my Uncle Steve, he used to call me over, Stefano, vieni qua. And he used to teach me how to hold a knife. So all these little things, I guess, I absorbed. And I saw the love of the cooking and the love of family getting together on Sunday. And it grew on me. And that's how it all started.
And isn't that just the Italian way? You cook with love, right?
You cook with love,
And there's
yeah.
authentic Italian cuisine here. So tell me some of your favorite recipes.
Oh boy, I have a lot of favorite recipes, but my one favorite recipe that I love to really cook, always in the wintertime, is always ossobuco. Why ossobuco? It's braised, it takes a long time to cook. The smell, the aroma, then we have to make the risotto that goes with it. So it's a long process, and while we're cooking and we're making that process, I'm drinking a glass of wine, I'm thinking about other things and family, and so it brings it all together. But that is my favorite recipe.
You're definitely making me hungry today. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
So you're also very philanthropic. You host a lot of different fundraisers here, but of
Yes.
course, the one that's most special to us is the one you do with our service auxiliary for Staten Island University Hospital, and we love to attend that. You actually are the celebrity chef for that one, so you cook for everyone, which is great. So why do you feel like it's so important to give back?
Well, it's important to give back because I feel that everyone that helps people needs to be recognized and to say thank you. They go out of their way, and I feel that I want to give something back, and it's from my heart, and I'm really appreciative of what they do.
That's also why you gave our emergency department a cocktail party after
Yes.
the end of COVID. So I know that's probably why you felt compelled to do that as well.
Oh, that was great. That was really beautiful. My mom, 2 years ago, she was in America, and she came from Italy. Of course, she was 96 years old. And one morning, she fell out of bed. And of course, we called the ambulance, 911. They came over. EMS, they were fantastic, the way they really handled her. So it started from there. And then, of course, they brought her over to the hospital, the University Hospital of Staten Island. And I was in the emergency room with her. And while I was in that room with her, and I've seen, from my eyes, everyone, the whole staff, from the beginning to the very end, how everything was handled. And I observed the passion of the people, the professionalism of the people, how they work. And it really touched my heart. And they really went out of their way. And not only for my mom at that particular time, I've observed how they were taking care of the whole operation. That whole floor. And I was just so happy to see that everyone was working professionally and just really fantastic. And that's why I have something right here for the hospital and for all their employees. They were really great.
Well, Stefano, the love that you said you felt coming into the hospital and how everybody took care of you and your mother, that's how everybody feels when they come into Bocelli's as well. So that definitely comes through your food and through your service, and we thank you so much. Congratulations on 25 years in business, and best of luck to you as you go forward.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much, and I hope to continue that as long as we can. Thank you.
Thank you.
HealthWish wishes to thank our very special guest, Stefano Sena, and Bocelli Restaurant. We're very interested in your health wish. Contact us at healthwish@northwell.edu. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again soon.